Okay, hi guys, this is Heliorf here, and I'm just going to show you in Starcraft 2 map editor how to change the weapon of a unit. So, first just fire up the editor. On slower computers this could take a while, but it should load up quite quickly. Now, once it's loaded, which it should have by now, there we go. First, we want to put down a unit. For this example, for this I'll do a marine. So if I type in marine in the search box over here, and that's on the units tab at the top, I should get 3 different units: a changeling, marine with shield, changeling marine, and just the basic marine. That's the one we want, so click on it and click in the map area. Now for this example I'll change the marine's weapon to a stalker's particle disruptors. So in the search, so what I did there was I clicked on this data tab which has the marine on it, or you could just press F7. Now it comes up in a different window. In the search box, make sure that it's under units and just type in marine, press enter, and it'll come up with the 3 examples we saw just now: changelings and the marine. For this, just click the marine and you should see that there are several tabs up at the top. If you don't have all of these tabs, make sure that this button is off, that one's on, off, on and on, and that should give these results. Now click on combat and it shows here index 0 weapon marine C14 Gauss rifle. That's what it should say. Now down here where it says weapon and the same, you just click on it and it comes up with a list of all of the weapons in the game, all used by different units. So you've got the Archon's weapon, the Colossus's weapon, but for this we want the Stalker. So where it says Stalker particle disruptors, just click on that, and now it's instantly changed the weapon. So now whenever the marine fires its weapon, it'll come up with the Stalker's weapon. And if you just click on a different unit, you'll see here that the marine now has green text on its properties, and that is a meaning that it shows that it's edited. It's not its original normal stuff. Yeah, so now just close it and just stick in a Zergling and make sure that it's player 2, otherwise the marine won't attack it unless you order him to. So it's got the changelings again and the Zergling burrowed, but we just want the basic Zergling. And now we should click that button, test document. It'll load it up into Starcraft and you'll be able to see that the marine's weapon is now the particle disruptors. So thanks for watching this part of the tutorial, and the next I'll be doing is giving units different abilities. So see you in a minute. Okay guys, this is Heliorf again, continuing from just now. In this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give units better abilities. So I'm going to give the Ultralisk a cloak. So stick an Ultralisk in your workspace and go to data again, like last time. Now, search Ultralisk and make sure that it's the Ultralisk, not Ultralisk Burrowed or Ultralisk Cavern. Now, the cloaking is an ability, so go to the ability tab and it should have stop, attack, move, Ultralisk, Burrow, Ultralisk. And down here it's got the command card. So, add value, so that was right click and add value, or you can just go over here and click the add value button. But now select the value you just added, so that should be number 4, and where it says ability, scroll down to Ghost, Personal Cloaking. Now click on the button right here in the bottom left hand corner of the command card and right click add button or add button and then you need to select the icon for the cloak. It doesn't have to be the same icon which the cloaks normally use. It could be just gather minerals or stim packs, but just for now we'll keep it as the cloak. So click on the cloak button and OK, and now it should come up with the button icon there, and once you've selected it, it should say cloak and command type and requirements. Where it says command type, click on it and select ability command, then 2 new lists should appear at the bottom. So click on the top one and it should say Ghost Personal Cloaking at the top, so select that and make sure that the ability command is Cloak Ghost. Now we want to do pretty much the same thing again on the button next to it. So add new button and scroll down to Terran and select the decloak icon and command type ability command ability personal cloaking, but this time where it says ability command select decloak. And so now when you select the Ultralisk, it should be able to have, well, it should have the 2 buttons here, or one at a time at least. But as you should know, if you've used the Ghost or the Banshee, cloaking requires energy, so we're going to need to give the Ultralisk energy. So we go to stats and where it says energy maximum, type in any number you want. I'll do 250, and energy starting amount, make sure that it's the same number. Well, it can be any number as long as it's not higher than the energy maximum. And then the energy regeneration rate, which is the one in the middle, you can change that to however much energy you want it to regenerate in a second. So we don't want the Ultralisk to run out of energy pretty quickly, so we'll just keep it as 250. So that means that it'll always have 250 energy, even when the cloak's on. But the thing is, when you have the Ultralisk, or when you have a cloak, the cloak needs researching somewhere, and since we're using the Ghost's personal cloaking, we'll need a Ghost Academy. But there is one way to get around this. In this area down here, if you scroll to the bottom, and actually no, hold on, you need to go type in personal cloaking and go to abilities. Sorry, I did that wrong. And now just select Ghost Personal Cloaking, and down here in this box it should say use personal cloaking under requirements. Now it should come up with a screen over here, and click on the count upgrade Ghost Personal Cloaking completed and make sure change it to upgrade allowed, and definitely make sure that the tech tree cheat is got a tick in it. And that means that now the Ghost or Ultralisk can use the cloaking without having to have it researched. And now, that Ultralisk will now be able to cloak if you test it in the Starcraft 2, if you want to now. Unfortunately, as I said earlier, I haven't been able to find a way to get the images of Starcraft on here, so sorry about that. I'll try and fix it in the future. Thanks for watching.